Sometimes you need to strip things back and get to what really matters. You need to get outside, start a real fire and cook some real food. Introducing Ooni Karu. Ooni Karu is our new portable wood-fired pizza oven. Fueled by real wood or charcoal, cook authentic wood-fired pizza in any outdoor space. At Ooni, we make awesome pizza ovens that are super hot and super fast. In 2012, we created a new category of game-changing pizza ovens.
Ooni was born from one simple idea. Everyone deserves great pizza. We launched right here on Kickstarter. You guys brought Ooni to life and helped us revolutionize outdoor cooking.
We began as an ambitious startup at a kitchen table. Now we're a 50-strong international team with a crew of product designers and engineers, and we're pumped to launch Ooni Karu.
From day one, we were privileged to have an open dialogue with our global community of backers. What we know is this: people have a burning desire to cook with fire. We've packed our years of learning, research and innovation into this powerful, portable, kick-ass product. Inspired by our roots, Karu means rugged in Finnish. Ooni Karu is just that, designed for an honest, no-nonsense, primal cooking experience. We created this new pizza oven around the desire for pared-back, flame-cooked food, combined with the innovation all our products are known for. Ready to go in 15 minutes, Ooni Karu heats to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 500 degrees Celsius, and cooks incredible pizza in just 60 seconds. It's amazing for cooking wood-fired meat, fish and vegetable dishes too. Loaded with wood, charcoal or both, Ooni Karu becomes a roaring inferno, so you can fire out epic pizza like you've never tasted before. The high-grade stainless steel body has ceramic fibre insulation, an extra thick stone baking board and our patented flame keeper. Together, they mean maximum heat retention. Ooni Karu weighs just over 26 pounds, or 12 kilos. That's about the same as a case of beer. So if you're ready to create game-changing wood-fired pizza, it's time to master the art of fire with your own Ooni Karu. Wherever your adventure takes you.